Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 4 screws that secure the housing. Remove the screws using either a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm hex bolt driver. They do not need to be fully removed, just loosened. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF3992 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Reinstall the screws. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.